Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego fishy with basic Lego pieces. So now, let's get started by taking apart our fishy. So now that we've taken apart our pieces, I can show you what you'll need to build our fish. So let's space out everything so that you can see. So we have 1, 2, 3 2x4s, 2 googly eye pieces, 1 2x2 slope piece, 1 1x2 cheese piece, 1 2x2 inverted slope, and 2 snot pieces, 2 1x1 snot pieces. So now let's move all of that out of the way so I can show you how you can build it. First, you're gonna need a 2x4 and a 2x2 slope piece. And it's inverted like that. Then you're gonna need to place this yellow piece right here, and then put your 2 1x1 snot pieces in like this. Then put this yellow piece right here, and then we're going to put our 2x4 like that, and then put a 2x2 slope piece like that. So far our fishy looks like this. So now let's add this 1x2 slope / cheese piece, and then let's put the fishy's eyes with the googly eye pieces like that, and we've got our Lego fishy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Comment down below what you want to see from me next. I'll see you next time. Bye!